Hello, my name is Griffith Rees and I am the founder here at Gwyn and Griffith, a honey company based here in West Wales. One of the most difficult aspects of beekeeping is dealing with the weather like we are today. It rains a lot here in the UK, especially in Wales, and that can drastically affect honey production. The majority of the bees we keep here are Welsh blacks. That's our native bee. That is the Apis mellifera mellifera. 1/3 of the food we eat is only available due to the honeybee, and that is through pollination. Now, pollination is extremely important for all farmers of the world. Their crops need to be pollinated for them to actually get a crop from it. So if we look at peas or beans or apples, the honeybee will visit these flowers, pollinate the flower, then that tree or plant produces a fruit or a nut which we can harvest and we can eat. And that's vitally important in the wildlife scene as well. Bees will pollinate wildflowers. Those wildflowers produce a crop or a seed, and then animals like birds will eat those seeds. So by having honeybees in the countryside, they're producing a food for other wildlife as well, not just for the honeybee. One of the biggest concerns bees face is loss of habitat. The honeybee has lost miles and miles of natural grassland, wildflower, hay meadows, woodlands, and that's where the bee gets its food. Now, unfortunately, we've lost a huge amount of land due to just the human race increasing in numbers. Even more so, it's important now that we plant wildflowers even in small areas in your garden, because this will produce a food for honeybees and other pollinators as well. It's great for a much larger company like Brewers to help a micro business like me out. We're here producing honey, and it's fantastic for a small company like mine to work with a much larger company like Brewers, and it's great to see these bigger companies care for the environment, care for honeybees, and want to contribute and help us do our work.